Back here in South Korea, and we are going to turn our focus now to the impeachment trial of President Park Geun-hye and the final hearing when both legal teams are scheduled to present their closing arguments is scheduled for next Monday, and that means the Constitutional Court may be able to deliver its verdict in mid-March. Unshin reports.
The verdict that'll decide the fate of Korea's president could be handed down as early as next month. Local media reports say that timeline is based on the court's history with past cases, and that it usually takes the justices about 2 weeks to reach a decision after the closing arguments are delivered. That hearing is scheduled to start at 2 p.m. on Monday, which would put the verdict somewhere around the 10th or 13th of March. The court had originally planned to hear the closing arguments on Friday, but pushed the schedule back following a request by the president's lawyers for more time to consult with her. If President Park does decide to appear for the closing arguments on Monday, it'll be a first for a sitting Korean leader. Ahead of that, the justices have been working overtime to wrap up the trial and move toward a verdict. The usual 9-member court is short-handed after the term of the Chief Justice ended at the end of January, and the term of his replacement is scheduled to end on March 13th. After the National Assembly approved the motion to impeach the president in December, the court was given up to 6 months to rule on whether to uphold or overturn it. If the motion is rejected, the president can go back to work. But if it is upheld, the president will be formally impeached, and a presidential election must be held within 60 days. And given the court's current timeline, that could mean the vote will be held in May, 7 months ahead of schedule. Unshin, Arirang News.